If you manage multiple properties, you know keeping up on air conditioners, furnaces, heat pumps, and water heaters is a lot to juggle. There's maintenance to schedule, repairs hiding behind every corner, energy use to monitor, and the dreaded replacement. Multiply that across a network of properties, and things get exponentially complex. That's why you need a single and simple solution. Motili. It consolidates everything you need into one place. An intuitive platform with an easy-to-use dashboard. Access everything you need, from repairs, replacements, and maintenance schedules to logistics, analytics, and reporting. It's also a launch point that gives you access to Motili's nationwide distribution network and contractor network, all with transparent pricing, so nothing is left up in the air. And no matter how much you use, Motili simplifies everything as your single point of contact for billing. Motili's simple, direct order, direct supply, and direct service products scale to fit the needs of any size organization, giving you the power to be involved as much or as little as you'd like. If you've got a lot to juggle, you need Motili. It keeps everything moving for you.